welding the bottom framework to the tabletop. I'm going to get this thing flipped over and see how bad it warped. Well, I don't think I could be much more happy with it than that. It is definitely meets all my expectations for how flat it is. I am not going to make any legs on this table adjustable. All I'm doing is making sure that all 4 wheels are exactly at the same height. Well, we've got a couple items to finish up the welding table build. So we're gonna have a MIG gun holder or a TIG torch holder. Nice strong magnet. So we've got a bottle rack holder. This is a weld it yourself kit. Go ahead and put this other one together real quick, get everything tacked up, and throw a couple small beads on here and be good to go. Well, this is going to wrap up the welding table build. This was built mostly out of scrap, about 90% out of scrap. I did have to go pick up a few all-thread components for the lockdown feet. Scrap steel I had, and I used the casters off of my old welding cart, and I used these solid rubber wheels from a different project, which I didn't use. I bought them for and didn't end up using them. Picked up an old vise on Craigslist in this case. So it works out really well. I'm really glad I took the time to make it. It'll serve me well. It's already proved to be very, very valuable. I was able to get my Lincoln Electric MIG 110 wire feed machine on there and my AHP 200DX TIG stick machine underneath of there. Got a couple of grinders stored on the front. Got the vise back here. All the scrap steel down below, up off the floor, organized and easy to get to. We got our C25 and our pure argon for the welding. We got those, I think they're heli hooks, or anyway, the caddy hooks that go on top of the bottle for the welding helmet and the welding jacket. Really glad I picked up a set of those on Amazon. There'll be a link down below. The build was fun, turned out really well, didn't hardly cost me anything, used up a bunch of scrap that I probably never would have used anyway. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you got something out of this one. It was a fun build. Definitely hit that subscribe button. It always helps me out in the long run. And check out some of the other links. I'll have my garage series videos, the house build, and probably something about the tractor on there. Until next time, thanks for watching.